All right, 13.6 is applying the law of cosines, which actually the formulas make it look much worse than it actually is. Law of cosines, like law of sines, can be used to solve triangles, any triangle, not just right triangles, when two sides and the included angle are known. So side angle side and side side side. And if you remind yourself that law of sines can be used for if you have side-side angle, and of course that's the ambiguous case, so just be careful here with cosine. It's two sides in the included angle. This is not included angle. And then again with law of sines, you could also have angle angle side or angle side angle. So basically if you know two angles, you're going to go law of sines. Law of sines is a little quicker and easier too, but you can't always apply law of sines. So here are the formulas in which you do not have to memorize. So of course your options are to have side angle side, or if you have side side side. And I just want you to realize that these three formulas are the same, just depending on the pieces that you would know. So you take a side squared equals the sum of the other two sides squared minus 2 times the other two sides times the cosine of the angle of which the side that you're finding. So you can see here that if you knew all three sides, you'd know A, B, C, B, C, you could solve for angle A. And then once you knew angle A, you could do that again in this order to find angle B. I mean, really, you could use all these. If you know side angle side, so two sides and the angle in between it, then you would know, like, for example, side B and side C and the angle in between. So you'd know BC, BC, angle A, you'd know all of this, and you can solve for side A. So on this one, I'm not going to work through it completely because there's a video that actually does the math, but solve the triangle with side A, side C, and angle B. So again, if you just kind of visualize any old triangle, and I won't draw this to scale, but if you have side A, B, and C, you know side A is 7, and you know side C is 12, and you know angle B, which would be right here, is 26 degrees, and you can see that you have side angle side. But anyhow, that means you're going to use, A, C, side A and side C and angle B. So if you know side A and side C, you could use this formula, side A, side C, and angle B. So you're going to use this formula. So A, C, B, and of course you could solve for B from there. But watch the other video and it kind of walks through the math and how do you dump things on your calculator and whatnot. This one, side A, side B, and side C. So again, if you drew a triangle, and I won't be to scale, but I know side A is 7, side C is 9, and side B is 13, and I don't know any angles, so I have side, 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 which obviously I can't set up law of sines because I would need to know an angle, and if I know all three sides, I can use any of these formulas really. So if I use this one first, I could get angle A, and then I could use this one. I could get angle B, and then once I have angle A and B, I can just sum those to 180 to find angle C.